Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. So you guys, we're going to hop right into this video today. Today's video is going to be... Okay guys, so the first thing you're going to need is a scale that reads accurately, a bar of black African soap, hot water, and a heat-proof jar. All the ingredients and things that I'm using will be down in the description box, and also a strainer. So if you're wondering where I got any of this stuff at, just please check the description box and the links will be down below. So the first thing you're going to do is weigh out your black soap, which is 21.9 grams. And after you weigh out your black soap, then you're going to cut up your soap into little pieces. This is going to help the soap dilute a lot faster instead of trying to melt this entire jar. So this is what it looks like after I got my small pieces of black soap. I did use a water kennel or a water boiler. You can simply put like some hot water in the microwave or on the stove if you don't have one of these water boilers, and it works just as fine. All you have to do is wait about 15 to 10 minutes, come back and stir the soap up periodically, and then make sure you strain the mixture after everything has dissolved and you don't feel any more big clumps. This, you do absolutely need to strain it. Do you see the little grainy stuff that came out of the bottom of the jar? And then look at these little black bits. African black soap is really potent, and you should dilute the black soap anyways, but it comes with so much natural herbs and things in it. It has little residue left over, and you do not want this in your hair or stuck in your hair. It won't ruin your hair, but just to make sure that it's not getting stuck in your hair or in your spray bottle or whatever you're going to be applying this soap with, then just make sure you strain it. So the next thing is just getting a couple of little jars or an applicator bottle. I got these little 3-ounce travel containers. It's nice if you want to give it away as a gift, but I just put them in this little 3-ounce container. And you guys, all of my hair literally use only half a bottle. So this is a way to stretch your black soap. If you haven't tried this, please give it a try and leave comments down below.